What happened?
That happened.
What, with the TV?
Yeah.
What happened?
My awesome people saw that start today.
Oh, Hercules?
Yeah.
What's the deal about Hercules?
He turned off.
I know, but is he strong?
Yeah. Oh, he's stronger than Daddy.
He's stronger than Daddy?
Yeah.
That's pretty strong.
Well, not stronger like Daddy.
He's a lot stronger than your daddy?
No, but my dad's a lot stronger than him.
Oh, okay. That's what I think. Well, we'll try to see if we can watch it. What do you got on there?
A belt.
What kind of belt?
My seat belt.
Not your seat belt.
Yeah.
Not your seat belt.
Yeah.
Is that your tool belt?
No. Seat belt.
You're so silly.
Seat belt. Seat belt.
It's not your seat belt.
Yes, it is.
You're a goober.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
It's not.
Yes, it is, Zoe. Yes, it is.
Silly what? Are you calling me a silly what?
Seatbelt.
That's not a seat belt.
Seatbelt. Huh?